sticking googly eyes until we get in trouble, Part 6.
Why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? 'Cause I like to eat them cats and dogs, yeah.
Alright, what is this? We're putting a bowl inside a bowl with some popcorn.
Some popcorn and some white chocolate?
That looks good though.
And some dark chocolate now?
Ooh.
Why though?
Oh, you can make a popcorn bowl out of a popcorn bowl?
That looks irresistible.
Nice. We gotta try that.
We got our melted white chocolate here. We're just gonna pour it along the edge. Okay, we're gonna stick that in the fridge to let it cool. Now get your grater. How does it melt onto it? We added a little more chocolate. All right, now that we've let this cool for a little bit, let's see.
Work.
It's actually gonna come out. I don't know, man. So I guess we'll remove the bowl first?
Yep.
Nope.
This whole thing is BS, isn't it?
No way that's coming out. Come on, come out. These guys are inseparable.
This is not coming off of this for sure, no matter what you do. Not even gonna come off in the dishwasher.
I don't even think I can get this out, period. I'm gonna throw the whole thing out. We're gonna put some hot water inside the bowl. Oh,
No way.
oh, that worked.
Try it. Oh,
Oh,
there you
no,
go.
don't spill.
No, don't spill the nasty water inside the chocolate.
This hack only requires every dish in your house. And then, yeah,
Oh, it works.
we did it.
It works. Now pull that
Now
out.
pull it out. Push it all the way down and start to carve. Oh, guy, look. There we go. It's coming out, guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have it. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We did it. That hack works perfect and it's easy.
Now put the dark chocolate popcorn in like
Oh,
that.
it's actually starting to look good now.
We did it, man.
Dude, look at that thing.
I can't believe it went from absolute bullcrap to 100% real.
I know.
Hey, Dad.
What?
You're an asshole.
You're grounded.
Shit.
I might be fat, but I identify as skinny. Bitch, I'm trans-slender.
When you lose your hamster and it ends up in the vent. Two hours later.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey.
Bitches, we the best music. Another one, yeah. DJ Khaled. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk, ayy. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red. I'm in my mum's car. Broom, broom.
I was washing my face. I breathed the bubbles on my nose holes, and it felt like it went into my brain, and it burned.
I'm Mix.
And I'm Ivy, and welcome to Factor Cat.
We just TikTok Trends 2C.
The real bullshit. Alright, keep going.
There we go. As you can see, it works like a charm. This is very interesting.
It's nice, yeah.
Y'all discuss it. Follow and never mind.
Something on TikTok's really bullshit ever again.
Yep. That is a skunk with a McFlurry cup on his head. An officer of the month here is trying to avoid all attempts to get him sprayed. Let's see if he's successful. Oh, he did it! He did it! He did it! Atta boy!
Papa, do you need some water?
I think I'm good. Thank you.
Come down. You're going to house Papa and come with him. I hope you have a yellow. Okay?
What? It's okay.
Do you need water? Whoa, what is that thing? Pretty cool. Okay, ready. I'm ready.
Introducing my dad to his grandson.
We got 4 dogs, Isabel. What the hell is that?
Your grandchild.
Oh my, you're lucky he's really cute. Oh my God. Well, he is really cute. Wow. He's beautiful. What are we gonna do with 3 Rottweilers now? And what is it, Saint Bernard? What the hell is this?
It's a golden retriever.
Golden Retriever.
You want sushi?
And one dragon roll.
One dragon roll.
No?
Okay, what else do you want?
An ikra and tobacco.
One ikra, and what else?
Pika.
Tobiko, okay, and what else?
Don't get my dip.
Don't forget your dip?
Yep.
Okay.
Thanks, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome, honey. Do you want me to order you some rice?
Yep.
Okay. And what about avocado?
Avocado.
Yeah? Yeah, is that a yes? Okay. Is that enough? Do you want some salmon?
No salmon.
No salmon? Is this right?
No, that's not right.
This is not right?
Yeah.
What am I missing?
I give chocolate ice sweetheart.
You're a sweetheart and you want chocolate?
Yep.
What is it like to be the last black president?
Seriously? What's it like for this to be the last time you ever talk to a president?
If you ever felt like falling when you're about to sleep, this video is for you. It's because your heart rate drops to 0, so your body sends a shock to make sure you're alive and not dead.
I walked up to a woman once to ask her what time it was. Me and my wife were pushing our cart. We had all our stuff in a grocery cart. I was pushing. I needed to know what time it was, so I went up to ask this woman what time it was. She's like, "Oh, get away from me. I don't have any money. Leave me alone." I'm like, "I don't want it." She's like, "Just get away from me. Go." What if my wife was pregnant, her water just broke, and I needed help? She didn't care. It was just, "Get away from me. Go. I don't got no money." She thought all I wanted was her money. I just want to know what time it was. It's sad. It's
I wasn't scared of you when I saw you.
Well, but you're 1 in a million, you know? I mean, you're actually sitting down and talking to me, you know? Most people don't give a damn.
It's been a long time coming, don't you let me fall.